Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Google Pixel 6a. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil on the bottom, then scroll down, find this button in this block, hold and drag, and for example like this, press and hold and drag to top to add this button. So go back for save. Now we add this button and press. And now before start recording we got record audio option, so we can turn on or turn off our record audio into a screen recorder. And if we tap on record audio option, we can customize device audio, microphone audio, or device audio and microphone. So for example, I wanna only microphone, and now need to activate this option. So this position, it's activate this option, and this like gray, it's turn off this option, and press start to start our screen record. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.